All right, so I'm back down here at Placid Knoll, and you remember several videos back I built this storage system for my implements for the tractor, as well as lumber, and a good place for drying. It's been working great. One thing, which I don't know if you can really see it right now because I got the tractor there, but this board takes a real dip and comes back up on this one side. And you'll remember I had to kind of at the last minute cut up some more 2x4s because I was running out of lumber, so that was really green and wet when I put it up there. Probably not the best idea, but what I'm going to try to do today is I didn't have any more 2x4s, but I had a 4x4, so I just cut it to length here, and I'm going to stick it underneath, and hopefully the grapple might not work. I might have to take it off, put the forks on, but I'm going to put the board underneath and then lift the whole thing up and get it up flat, take the weight up off of that, and then screw it into this guy here, and hopefully that will give me a little better support so I don't get this real dip because it's making my boards bend. So anyway, thought I'd let you know what's going on today. I probably won't be up at the off-grid property for a little while. I've got just to catch up on a lot of things down here on my main place, and little things like this and other things that you'll see me doing. I've just got to get them done. So anyway, I'll take a break from up there for a little bit. And of course, I've got playlists for all kinds of different things, creating things, fixing things. I've got a mini excavator playlist, one with logging, sawmill stuff. So hopefully, you know, if you're watching one of the videos you like, and then you notice I have a bunch of different kinds of content all around creating things, fixing things, enjoying outdoors, of course, but you know, different main topics. Please feel free to check out the playlist because I try to organize them in a way that hopefully you'll find the stuff that you're interested in, if you aren't interested in all of it. So anyway, thanks for joining me. Welcome to TWC Projects, and let's get started. Wow, well that was it. That was a super quick video, and really all I did was, it's hard to, it looks pretty straight right now, of course, because I put that 4x4 in behind. This maple is a lot stronger than this green pine that I had in there, so I lifted it up, screwed it in place, And I think we're good. That should be fine now. I probably should have done a little bit better job reinforcing it in the first place. Originally, I was just thinking I was putting a lot of light boards in there, but then I ended up putting heavier stuff in and piled it as high as I could. So that's it. If you didn't see the build of this, that's a it was a 3-part series of building this whole thing, including milling up the lumber on the sawmill, and building this thing from the ground up to be modular. And eventually, this is going to go up to the bare ridge. So I built it's actually in 2 sections, and they kind of come apart, including the roof. The roof is kind of set in there, but it's not really screwed up in there. So they're 2 separate parts, even though they look like they're working as one right now. And at some point you'll see me move that up there, but for now, it's doing a great job here, and just needed to tidy it up a little bit, get it back in shape, so that I didn't have any problems with that dropping out. Or the back side looks great. The right side looks great. It was just this one that was sagging, so we fixed that now. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining me as I create things, fix things, and enjoy God's creation outside. And thanks for subscribing if you haven't subscribed already, as well as check out the twc-projects.net website. I got a lot of stuff out there that, I try to answer questions that people ask. And I have a lot of materials out there that are kind of hard to find for some folks. So it's just meant to be easy to get around. Of course, you can get access to the videos there, but more importantly, there's a lot of some user manuals, some diagrams, some behind the scenes pictures, just whatever you might have interest in. So check it out. Hope you enjoy it. And it's just meant to be helpful. Also, there's the Amazon website, the Amazon store is a page on my website as well that has links to all the stuff that I demonstrate on this channel and show or whatever. A lot of times some of the tools I buy or the things I like to use, in case you want to be able to buy them too. And if you do get them buy them from Amazon, please click on them through my website. There's a little notice up top, tells you I get a little bit of that. It's not much, but every little bit helps pay for the cameras and the software and the stuff that I do to do these videos. So not really a money-making channel. In fact, I've started to take back the monetization. I've turned it off on all of my Bear Ridge stuff because I'm not sure. I don't really care. I don't do it for the money necessarily. I don't have that many viewers that it really makes much money anyway. So I'm going to try that out and see how that works, not having any monetization on those videos, and see if that encourages people to watch them more. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you don't like to watch videos when you have ads pop up, and so that discourages you from watching or subscribing. If so, I may end up rolling them all back. I just don't know yet. I'm kind of waiting to see what happens. But anyway, again, I appreciate your being with me. Until next time, have a fantastic week, and I will see you on the next project.